Does technology ever feel overwhelming? Like the world of AI is moving too fast to keep up? Welcome to Tech Empowered. We're glad you're here. Where we help you master the latest AI and digital tools with ease. Through our hands-on interactive workshops, we take the mystery out of powerful tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Manus, and many more. We not only teach you the basics, we go beyond. You'll learn cutting-edge skills like AI literacy, video creation, building custom AI agents, and even vibe coding. I'll explain simply whether you're using them for life, work, business, or ministry. You'll learn practical ways to apply these tools every single day. You don't have to figure it out alone. We guide you step by step, building your confidence in a supportive environment without the tech jargon. Ready to take action? Join us for 3 empowering activation labs designed to jumpstart your digital skills. Say goodbye to overwhelm. Register today at learntech.calltomarket.org.